What is path expression? Okay, first try to understand about expression. We know about the mathematical expression, right? We have been learning in 9th or 10th class or 8th class somewhere. What's the difference between equation and expression, right? So expression, if you just take about x square plus 5 plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6, this used to be known as an expression. So expression is something with the help of which you are going to represent something, right? So some data, if you want to represent in some specific format, you are going to use the mathematical expression, right? We are going to use the mathematical expression. Here, this expression we are having means something with the help of which we are going to represent. Okay, what's something we are going to represent? Path we are going to represent. Okay, so expression, the one with the help of which we can express something, right? The one with the help of which we can express something, that's where the expression comes into the picture. What we are going to express, we are going to express the path, we are going to represent the path. What path? The path of the association. Okay, with the help of path expression, generally in CDS, we access the association. It is not mandatory always to access the association. There can be any other artifact like database table, right? So for example, if we're going to access the field of a database table, right? We generally write the table dot field. So that is also a kind of path expression only. Okay, means how you are accessing the field of a table. Okay, so here this is the official, you know, definition over here. I've taken from this. You can go to this website. This is very nice. Nicely they have written about the path expression, and they have taken very good example over there. Okay, some of the screenshot I've taken from there, and just we'll see that one. So this is the link. There they have written the definition. Path expression identify an object by describing how to navigate to it to object via steps or route, right? For example, the path expression object.employee.address.zip code can refer to zip code of particular employee's address, right? So here you can see that how they are navigating to zip code. So first they are going to the object, from object they are going to the employee structure, and from there they are going to the address structure, and from there they are, accessing the zip code. So this is the expression. Okay, so can refer to zip code of particular employee's address. Of course, this relationship should be established before, and using association or cardinality to use this kind of path to access of we'll see this one, what this point it is trying to tell. I will explain over here. Let's go and see some example over here. So this is the CDS over here. Okay, this is the CDS over here. See, one of the path expression over here, b20.partner, we are accessing the partner of b20. Here also you can see b20.address, valid from b20 address, all these things. So generally, this is also similar to path expression. This is also similar to path expression, you can see. But generally when association comes into the picture, then we forcefully tell that we are using the path expression in CDS. But this is also a path expression as per my understanding. Okay, here you can see that we are accessing this table and its component, right? So this is one CDS we are having over here. Uh, it's a, it's a association name is underscore ADR6, right? Its association name is underscore ADR6. You can see here ADR6, right? In this CDS table, you have the association name called underscore ADR6, and this association has been defined inside the CDS view Z ADR6 underscore STOB. This is the name of the CDS. Here you can see, right? So here, whatever you define, that is also known as the structural object. That's why they have given the name STOB. Okay. As select from BUT020 as B20, this is the table alias name of BUT020, association 1 to ADR6 as underscore ADR6. So this is the name of the association. How the association has been defined? Between the table BU2020 and ADR6. Okay. So this relationship over here is underscore ADR6. Just keep these things in your mind. Later it will be useful over here. So this is the association name ADR6. What kind of association this one? At last we have written simply underscore ADR6. So what kind of association is this one? Just write over here in the chat box fast. What kind of association is this one? Simply we have written underscore ADR6. It's the ad hoc or it's the exposed association. Okay, right here in the chat box, it's a exposed association, right? Simply we have written underscore ADR6, right? So it's a exposed association. Very good. So one CDS here ZADR6 underscore STOB, another CDS over here ZADRC underscore STOB. This is that another CDS, and here you can see that, you know, this association, the name of the association is underscore ADRC. Here the name of the association is underscore ADRC. In the CDS ZADRC underscore STOB, right? You can see here. I select from ADRC association 1.1 to ZADR6 underscore STOB. So just to previous CDS, it's establishing the relationship. Okay, this CDS, the current CDS is trying to establish the relationship with the previous CDS. Okay, a name of the association is this one underscore ADRC on dollar projection dot address number equal to underscore ADRC dot address number. So dollar projection, we are using whatever you are using the CDS element over here that we can access with the help of dollar projection keyword. Okay, just go and watch out complete list of CDS. You know, I'm going to make that one private. I'm going to put that one on Udemy. Before that, everyone over here who is not having the good concept on the association and CDS, go and watch out. Everything over there from scratch to advanced level is there. So here you can see that the association name over here is underscore ADRC, and here we are accessing. So this is actual path expression. With the help of this dot, we are trying to access the field partner of this underscore ADRC. So this is one path expression. This is another path expression. Now let's go here and see JADE get full address, right? JADE get full address. Another series we are having, it is defined as defined view JADE get full address. I select from JADE ADRC underscore stop as underscore, you know, address, and then here you can see that they are using the path expression address dot partner, address dot name, address dot. So wherever dot will come into picture, simply you understand that is a, you know, path expression. Right here another path expression, here another path expression, here another path expression. Okay, how to use the path expression in the SQL. But before going ahead, just tell me, is this concept got clear about the path expression? Did you understand the concept of path expression? For me, it was very confusing in beginning when I started learning this path expression. Is it clear for you now? Just write here in the chat box.